So, hello, my freelancer friends out there. So, do you have a management system for your projects? Maybe you have a tons of things like you can do to manage all of your projects, but the notions user are out there. Do you have something right now prepared for yourself? So, let me tell you, if you are not having anything, I have a great solution for you today. So, let's roll out the intro. So, Rian Siegel from Flux Academy posted a Notion template for free. Okay. And this template actually has everything built into it. Like from the first call with the client to delivering a project and everything in between it. And it have particularized section, like every portion is like totally created in great manner and managed also in great manner. Now the thing is, when I used it for the first time, I really felt overwhelmed with it because it has too many things to care about. But when I actually get along with it, like get to know about the stages more and more, like there's always this thing you can edit this anywhere any way you want, right, to fit your workflow. So I have edited it that way, and right now I am currently enjoying it, like totally enjoying it. Okay, so let me show it to you. Okay, let me show you the website first, then we will see the template and all. Okay, so here we are at the landing page for the Notion template, and as you can see, like obviously I will give the links in the description, and as you can see, this is clearly mentioned over here, the all-in-one hub for managing your web design projects. Now this is specifically meant for web design, but when I used it, I actually like customized it to use as a web development projects also, because obviously you can add and remove things in Notion like easily. Okay, but what I would suggest is this is the best Notion template that I have found out for specifically freelancing jobs. If you have team of one, okay, so it's great for that. Like, or if you have team of like some of people, like 2 to 4 people, it will work in that way also. Okay, it can work in that way. But yeah, if you are a solo freelancer, it will be just a great thing for you. Okay, and so how to get it? So click on get, or first of all, let's say how it works. Firstly, let's learn that when you click on it, it will get you to this section where our tutorial video is already available. You can play it and watch it, everything. Okay, watch the whole video, and he has explained everything thoroughly over here. So there is no meaning of giving you another tutorial from me, because that doesn't make sense. Just view his video. He has explained everything thoroughly, greatly. Okay, and here you can see 15 plus templates to save you countless hours, collaborative project dashboard. So as I have said, the project dashboard is collaborative. Like there is a section where you can actually share the dashboard to your client, so your client can add things to the Notion dashboard and like easily share content between you and client. And one another thing I would like to say, like I recently subscribed for Notion, like Notion Pro plan, and after subscribing to it, I am actually be able to use all of the benefits thoroughly, or that this dashboard provide. If you don't have Pro plan, I would not suggest giving out the collaborative dashboard, because in that way, like Lotion have the limit of uploading 5 MB in free plan. So I will obviously not suggest you to do this like collaborative dashboard thing in free plan, but you can do it in pro plan, because that's totally fine, because upload limit is unlimited, I think so. Whatever. and project timeline also you can get. Now the thing is how to get it. Now I am showing it to you via a like temporary mail, but if you want to get it in your inbox, please give your mail and it will be helpful to them as well. But I wanted to show you one thing, that's why I am using it. That is, if you like, here is this mail id already written, but if I click on it, nothing happens. Okay, just because this whole picture is over here. Okay, so what you can do, you can like zoom in, and there is a actually first name field that you can fill over here. Or what you can do is really click on inspect or view it from mobile. To be honest, visit the site from the mobile, that will be much more helpful for you. Okay, so let me just get into here and give me a name. So I am giving my name. So now if I click on send it over, yeah, I will get that into my mailbox right now in some time, right? Let's wait for a bit, and it will get into your dashboard. And when you get this into your mail, basically you just click on the link and duplicate the dashboard that you are finding out over here. Okay, that's it. I don't know why it isn't here yet, but yeah, you basically got this right, how to get it and all. And that's basically about it. I don't want to explain all of those things because that would take time, and why to explain all of those things when he have just explained everything. Okay, so I don't want to waste time of yours. That's basically it about this thing. But literally trust me, this is the best I could ever find out. Yeah, so yeah, I got the mail, and I will just give you an overview over here because that's important. So here is the file. See, here is the file, and just download it and like duplicate it from here. Okay, and you can click on like see on some of the projects that we have, that he have already made as a template, as a as a example for you. So here is a lead stage process. As I was telling you, it has everything, like from first call, from discovery sessions, estimates, proposal, everything is over here. Okay, and if I go to uh the project overview section, the dashboard section, okay, this is the thing that you will share with your client and update things over here. Okay, so you get it, you get the point, right? So that's the thing about this website. And here is always like another, yeah, tutorial is available over here as well. So it's really easy for you to find it out, to be honest. And I like to use it at like always. So that's why I shared this thing. So that's it for this video. If you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel. And if you know some of the great products like this, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below, so I can feature them in my future videos as well. So bye for now.